When you make kibbeh nevelsiya, if you don't have a machine with which to make it, what you can do is you take basically a golf ball size of dough. You want to hollow the dough out into a torpedo shape. So you use your finger and you just keep working the dough with one hand and the other until you have this hollow shape around your finger. You want it to be really, really as thin as possible, because the thinness is what's going to make the kibbeh at the end of the day crispy. So now I have this hollow shape. I can put the meat in and close it. And that's the important part, and how you make it by hand. It is a little bit tedious making it by hand, and it does require a certain amount of skill, but it can be done. And many people still do these by hand. I prefer to use the machine because I find that it's more even and more consistent, and I find that it goes a little bit faster.